What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be installing the trunk wing on my 2014 E550 Mercedes-Benz, and I got my wife behind the camera helping me. So let's get to it. I'm going to show you guys exactly what I got, done, like how I set it up to do it, and what you're going to need. So you come on over here, Callie.
I'm coming.
All right, so basically what I did was I already lined up where I need. Oh shit, that's not good.
Jeez.
All right, come back here so you can see exactly what's going on. You can move the you can move this plate down if you need to. All right. Anyway, so I already lined it up here pretty much. I put some blue tape just to know where I want the spoiler to sit. So when I'm going in, I can just line it up. All right. So we're gonna line it up just like that, and then I just start pulling the tape off. So I already started. I got the tape here, ready to go. So I'm gonna pull it just a little bit more. I'm gonna separate it half and half. I got two sheets. So I'm gonna go one half here, and one half that way, line it up, and then stick it down, and I'm gonna start pulling it as I go, all the way across, until the entire wing is stuck. So after you do all that, put your tape down, make sure you clean it with alcohol, clean the trunk with alcohol if you need to, and get yourself either a heat gun or your wife's old dryer, hair dryer, and heat it up a little bit. So let's go ahead and heat it up real quick. I did just finish washing the car, but we're gonna just put a little bit of alcohol, and I know the wing is gonna be stuck. Probably should be using a microfiber for this, but whatever. That's good. All right. Now we take our wing. And like I said, you're gonna just pull a little bit of tape off to your left, and then again to your right. Get a little bit of that tape exposed, and then you're gonna line it up. So you're focusing on just on one side at a time first. Okay. Go. Now I'm gonna start pulling the tape. So if it gets stuck, just lift a little bit. And once you know you kind of got it, you can go all the way across. Oh. I'm just pulling all the way off. And that's it, the wing is installed. Nice and warm still. That hair dryer worked good.
It's like 20 years old.
Just pull your tape off afterwards. Simple. Already lined up. It's on. Oh crap. Got a little tape trapped underneath here. It's my wife's fault. She's the one that did the tape.
It was an excellent taping job.
That was me rushing too though. But whatever, I get it out. And there you guys have it. That's how you install the trunk spoiler. Simple, easy, fast. Alright? So that's it for this one. It was a quick video. Just wanted to show you guys how to do that. So if you guys need to know, a lot of guys don't know how to install this. It's crazy to me that it's mind blowing that a lot of guys will take their car to a shop to have this done. So do it at home. Buy the tape. Amazon's your best friend, and do it yourself. All right, simple, easy. I guess that's it for this one, man. Come back for the next video. You guys will see me installing the rest of the stuff that I have for this car. That's gonna tie in with everything. So stay tuned for the next video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.